You need to steal. You need to steal perfume, right? Or detox shampoo, right? You need to steal shampoo, right?
You don't have to grab me like that just because I did something wrong. You don't have to grab me like that. That doesn't mean.
The 13th of August, 2025. Lehigh Acres, Lee County, Florida. Lee County Sheriff deputies respond to a CVS pharmacy following a retail theft involving nearly $900 in merchandise.
Hi.
Hi.
What are you putting in your stroller?
Nothing.
Yeah? You want to lift it? Is that a baby in there?
No.
So what's in there?
Stuff.
Oh, you want to lift the sheet? Or am I going to lift it?
You can lift it.
You lift it.
You can lift it. I did this with my sister. She's in the car.
Turn around. I'll get your sister too, because she's probably in that handicap parking spot.
Yeah, she is.
Yeah, I know. Wow, good job.
I had to.
You don't have to do anything.
I do.
No, you don't. You don't. So you need to steal moisturizing conditioner, right? You need to steal. You need to steal perfume, right? Or detox shampoo, right? You need to steal shampoo, right? And ovulation strips.
Okay, sir.
There ain't no okay. You're the one who came here stealing things.
It can be okay.
It ain't okay to steal.
You don't have to grab me like that just because I did something wrong. You don't have to grab me like that. That doesn't mean you get to grab me like that. I don't do nothing. Sir, I want a supervisor.
Yeah, you're going to jail. Yeah, you can talk to one at jail.
I don't care. I don't care. I don't care.
Get out the car.
I don't care.
Get out. Out. Out.
46.
Get out the car.
What the f*** is
Sit down. Sit down.
I don't have to.
You're going to get another charge of obstruction.
For what?
Sit down.
You don't have to pull me like that.
Get over here and sit down too. Get over here and sit down too.
What are you pulling on me like that for?
Sit down. Sit down. 229, clear traffic. You're going to jail. Okay? At a minimum for obstruction. You don't pull away from the police.
I didn't pull away from you. You're pulling on me. You snatched me.
And your car smells like so we're going to search that. And you're parked here. Okay? And you're not handicapped.
But sir,
That's not how you use a decal for handicap now, is it? Are you handicapped? Is that issue to you?
That's okay.
Is that issue to you?
No, it's not.
Okay, so yeah.
Listen, sir.
You're going to jail.
What I did?
You're going to jail. Stand up.
Why are you pulling? Like, sir, look how you're pulling on me.
Because you need.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, stay with her. Control yourself and walk to the car.
I don't care.
Because you don't want to. No, you can get one at the jail.
Somebody else.
You
don't have to pull on me.
You can get one at the jail.
It doesn't matter. You don't have to put.
Don't face me.
Sir, don't put your hands on me like that.
You're going in the car.
Okay, can I have somebody else?
No, you're going in the car.
It doesn't matter.
You don't get to pick who arrests you. Sit in the car. Sit in the car. Sit in the car.
I don't care. What you doing to me? You can take that. What else are you?
Get her ID.
That's my ID card.
Okay, we're still getting your ID.
Get my ID. You ain't gotta get.
Listen. You all are coming here, okay? You're waiting in the car while she loads up. You're lucky you're not going to jail. I'm not stupid.
Sir.
And I wasn't born yesterday.
Listen. You don't gotta talk to me like that. For one, listen.
You're coming over here with her.
I never said.
Trying to jack this store.
I was
okay, and we're all supposed to just be nice to you and give you cookies.
I never said you could be nice to me and give me.
Hello. Do you guys want to press charges for this? Mm-hmm. Okay, very good. And you're the manager, right? What's that?
Every day, diferente persona.
They come in here every day?
Every day, different people, but the merchandise go, no page. Every day.
And search the car too. Now you're going to provide your name. What is your name? I'm going to find out who you are. Give me your information. Listen to me.
I don't care.
Give me your name. Give me your name. All right, you're already going to jail. And we'll figure out who you are. 229. Any unit with a fingerprint scanner, please. You're not entitled to a supervisor when you commit crimes. Okay. You're not getting one. You're not getting one. Do you think you're entitled to a supervisor?
If I'm asking
you're not. No, that's that you. Okay. Guess what? It's all videotaped. It's all videotaped. And we don't show up and give you cookies and cream when you break the law. That's why you're going to jail. And possibly for grand theft. I know you don't. I know you don't.
I don't give a
I know.
That's what you're not getting.
I know. And we're going to get your fingerprints. What's her name? What's her name?
She's not giving it to you?
No, that's why I'm coming to ask you.
That don't got nothing to do with me, sir. You being rude to me. And
okay, we're gonna here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna give you a ticket, okay? You're lucky I'm not taking you to jail as well as being an accomplice to her.
I'm being an accomplice with her.
So what'd you all come here for?
That don't got nothing to do with me. She's a grown woman.
Did you drive here with her?
Yes, I drove here with her. But listen, sir, at the end of the day, that don't got nothing to do with me.
So she can run out. She can run out with the stolen merchandise.
With no stolen.
You know what? Here's what we're gonna do. No. Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna refer you to the state attorney's office for charges. No, I'm gonna refer you to the state attorney's for charges.
You can't do it, sir.
Okay. All right. Is there any weed at all in this car?
I don't. You feel me, sir? I really don't. Like, I ain't do.
Okay.
Got nothing to do with me. Like,
I'm gonna take you to jail if we find even a scrounge of.
You're not.
Okay.
There's no in my car.
Okay.
It smells like it. You right.
Yeah, I know. Right.
Look, dump it all out. No, bro.
And you got. Look at this. You got a car stinking of with diapers in here. Real good. Real good. Yeah, right here. You got a medical card?
What?
You got a medical card.
Do I have a medical
card?
I don't have a medical
Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest too.
What? I'm under arrest?
Possession of under 20 grams.
I don't. What? I don't even have in my.
You see the roaches there?
Oh my God.
Actually, we'll put her in your car.
Oh my goodness. Oh my God. What you want to be nasty to me for? I didn't even do nothing.
Have a seat. We got her name?
Yep, I got her stuff. I'll put them in the car.
All right.
Okay,
Miss,
that's not me. You got the one person you're talking to.
Okay, well, we'll get your fingerprint scanner.
You can literally ask me my name.
I did.
Sir.
What is your name?
Can you stop talking to me like that?
What is your name?
Can you talk to me like
I don't need to ask you like 10 times. What is your name?
If you can talk to me normal, then you can get my name.
This isn't a negotiation.
I don't care.
Okay. You're going to go to jail for obstruction.
It doesn't matter.
Okay.
If I'm going to jail.
I know.
You like a regular person.
I was just gonna start scanning this.
Hey, where's the stuff she stole?
I put it here in the office.
Can you get me a voided receipt of all the items? Yep. Yep. Just scan them out. You'll keep the product.
Yes.
And then I'll get a receipt of it so I can get a total.
All right.
Please don't send me to jail. I have kids. I didn't even do anything. You was the same person I told about my daughter. I didn't do nothing.
I'm talking to someone else besides him.
Do you understand your rights?
Can I talk to another officer? I've been asking this ever since I got in the car.
No, you're under arrest.
I don't. That doesn't matter. I'm not questioning. I'm not questioning you about me being under arrest. I'm questioning you about how you're, sir.
No.
When this man arrested me, you cannot roll your window up. You have to allow me to speak to another officer. I've been asking you this since I got to your car.
That's not policy.
Sir, I did not touch this officer. I did not do anything.
Where'd you hear that? TikTok?
TikTok what? I have to speak. I'm not asking.
Not freaking.
Bro, don't worry about it. Like, don't even worry.
You want a third officer now?
I will wait till I get to the jail. This man literally slung me to the floor.
You never went on the floor. So stop lying.
I did not go in front of that car.
No, you didn't. And I put you there. I told you to sit down and you sat down.
So you did not slay me on the floor?
Listen, young lady. We can either have a conversation.
We don't have to.
Okay.
We don't have to.
Okay. I don't know what you're coming here stealing for.
Okay. It doesn't matter. It's none of your business, and that's you don't.
I think it is my business. I'm the police.
I don't
police.
care.
Okay.
I don't have to answer to you.
Okay. Well, I'm the police.
I don't have to answer.
So it kind of is my business.
You're not. You're a person. You're a person.
Okay.
With
but
badge.
it's the police.
I don't.
So
care.
it is my business that you're stealing.
I don't care. I don't have to answer to you.
I know. I know you don't care that you're stealing.
You're rude. You don't even.
Hey, is that your in the car?
No, you won't blame no on me. I'm sorry. You can't blame no on me. Not my car. Not my.
So whose car is that?
That's
your homegirl?
Hey, driver, not my car. My name is.
I know. Well, now I know your name is. After I asked you like 10 times.
And I didn't have to speak to you. I didn't want to speak to you. You slung me on the ground.
Okay. All right. And you know, when you play back the video and you're not slung on the ground,
I don't care. They can play it back, and you will sleep. You see,
listen. I would love to have a conversation with you, but only if you can tell the truth.
Okay.
Okay. Is that possible?
Possible.
Can you do that?
Possible.
Okay. Let's start over. Okay.
Let's start over. What's up?
All right. I'm Deputy.
My name is.
Very good. What did you do coming to the CVS? Why did you come here tonight?
I came here to the CVS tonight because I was in a domestic violence relationship. All my clothes and everything that I had was thrown out of the vehicle. I had nothing to my name. I had no clothes. I had nothing, period. Nothing.
And did you call the police about this?
Yes. I have a police report. I have a police number and stuff like that. I have no clothes.
Do you live in Lehigh?
Yes, I live in Lehigh. This happened in Naples. So that's
okay.
Collier County. That's Collier County Sheriff's Office.
And so what brought you to Lehigh then?
Because that's the only, I don't have no family here. I don't have no mom. I don't have no sister. I have nobody here. The only person I have here was the person that I was in the car with. That's the only
and she lives in Lehigh?
Yes, and and I live with her.
Okay.
So I had no clothes, no nothing. So I was just trying to get me a few things. During the process, people made requests. That's all I have to say.
People made requests for you to come here?
No, people made requests for me to get stuff while I was here.
Okay. And
so that's just why it was that's just why it was more stuff than what needs to be in there.
Okay. And did you intend to pay for any of that stuff?
I was, yes. So I had like $25, $30 in the stuff. $30-something in my bag. I had like $50 in some change, maybe 60 or so on my food stamp card that I was gonna use, and then just whatever the rest of it was. I'm not gonna sit here and lie. Like when you came up to me, I didn't lie to you. Like I had no reason to lie to you. As soon as you walked up in there, I knew what time it was. Like I knew what I was doing. I knew what type of risk I was taking. Okay?
Did you knew what you were doing was wrong?
Yeah. I knew what I was doing was wrong, but I had no money. I had no one I could call, no family.
Do you have a job?
No, I just came down here. And before I could, I just came down here. I came down here with no ID, no none of that. Like, my birth certificate is at my sister's house, so it's just so much. Like, I'm just going through a lot. Just really, truly, honestly, going through a lot.
Okay.
So, I had no one else. I have no one here. No family, no mama, no sister, no brother, no cousin. I'm out on my own. So I'm just doing what I have to do. So during that, and you're at people's house, you're not paying nothing, you're not doing, you're not paying, you have to do something, okay? So
have you ever been arrested before?
Yes.
For what?
Disorderly, just being upset, and just them not being able to calm me down or something like that. That's it. I've never been arrested for nothing.
Have you been arrested for stealing before?
No, I'm not a bad person. I'm not a bad person, and this is why I didn't like how you were coming at me, because I'm not a bad person and I'm not a bad girl. I'm not a bad person and stuff. So I just didn't like how you were just treating me like I was just. I know stealing is not right. You don't supposed to do that. You don't supposed to. But if you have you don't have nothing. You have nothing else. You have nobody. At that point, you do whatever you have to do, and that's just it. That's just it. I'm out here, and I swear to the God above on my dead, but I have no one out here. No one, not a mom, a brother, a sister, a dad. My mom.
Where's your family at?
In Ocala, Florida.
Why don't you go back there?
I did. And I did. My mom, she's not like the normal, typical mom, so
Okay.
I can't go with her.
You have
My
kids?
Dad, no.
Why don't you go to the? Listen, you're going to jail. But listen.
Sir,
Listen
I'm
just
not
listen.
trying to
Listen
talk.
for.
I'm
I'm trying to
going
help
to
you.
jail.
Listen for a moment, okay? When you get out of jail, you need to. If you don't have a place to stay, you need to go to the ACT shelter. Okay, that's a shelter that you can stay at if you're the victim of domestic violence. Okay, until you get yourself together. All right, so that way you don't have to owe people things, right, that you live with. So that way you don't have to come out here and commit crimes to survive. You get what I'm saying? They'll try to hook you up with a job. Okay, I don't want you out here stealing, and I don't want to confront you again. Do you understand? Okay, I'm going to give you the address and phone number to the ACT shelter when we're done. Okay, because even though we might not see eye to eye right now, I'd like you to get some help while you're in Lee County. Do you understand? Okay, and you can dislike me and whatever it might be, but
I don't dislike you. I just wish like you wouldn't like.
You wish I was
approach
nicer
people
to you.
No, not even that. When you approach people in certain situations, don't just treat them bad or just.
let me ask you a question.
Wrong.
Have we ever met before?
No. And
Do I know who you are and what you're capable of?
No, sir. But sir.
So when everything is calmed down like this, I can have a civilized discussion with you, but I can't do that while I have you. I'm worrying about her in the car, okay? I don't know who else is in the car with her, okay? So I have all these moving parts going on, right? So I don't have time to have conversations right then and there. We have to wait till everything is under control. Then I'll talk to you, okay? Like this, all right?
Yes.
Because I'm not trying to be mean to you, okay? I'm trying to be a nice guy to you, okay? But there's certain things that need to happen in order for me to start relaxing and being nice to you. You get what I'm saying? I don't want to be mean to you. That's not my nature. But at the same time, I can't just have you, delaying what I need to do. So if I need to get you out of the store to keep tabs on her, you're going to come out the store with me. And if you can't keep up, you know what I'm saying? So you need to just, when you get out of jail, which I'm sure will be soon, because are you on paper or anything? Are you on bond, probation for that disorderly intox?
Well, I did get out on bond, but they gave me a diversion program. I signed a diversion program and stuff,
Okay.
so I just have to do 10 hours of community service.
Well,
but I'm done. Like I'm pretty sure like that's over with.
Okay.
But I don't know when I will get out because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to post bond again.
Yeah.
And I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know.
I understand. All right, young lady. Well, listen, how old are you?
21.
You got a lot of time to change your life around. Okay? A lot. Don't become one of these people that steal for a living. Okay? Because there's people out there like that. I'm not saying that's you, but they start this way, and then next thing you know, they're stealing things, they're going to Miami trying to sell things, they're doing all sorts of stuff to survive, okay? Go to school, do something. You're 21. You don't need to be at CVS at 1 o'clock in the morning stealing. You know what I'm saying? Running into deputy. All right? I'm going to give you the number to the ACT shelter. If you need a place to stay, call them. Okay? All right, what is your name? All right. Have you ever been arrested before? For what?
I'm stealing.
Are you on paper right now? Okay. All right. All right, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before we ask you any questions and to have him with you during questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed for you before any questioning if you wish. If you decide to answer questions without a lawyer present, you will still have the right to stop answering any time. You also have the right to stop answering any time until you talk to a lawyer. You understand your rights as I've read them to you?
What did I do?
Do you understand your rights? Do you understand your rights? Do you want to talk to me?
Yeah.
Okay. Here's what you're under arrest for. Possession of under 20 grams. Okay? That's what you're under arrest for. Okay? I suspect that you did know what was going on here tonight. Okay, but I can't prove that. Okay? But I suspect that we both know that you knew what she was doing in that store. Okay? Because I'm sure you don't come to CVS at 1 o'clock in the morning and not question why you're coming to CVS and you're staying in the car and she's in there.
Well, I do come here to use my Medicaid card to get my kids wipes and diapers.
But have you ever done that at 1 in the morning?
Yeah, I do. I did. I'm gonna be honest. Yes, I have. It's been nice. It's been nice.
Why did you stay in the car?
Because I don't have no reason to go in there. I don't steal.
You
Okay, that's used to, but people change. I don't do that no more.
When was the last time you were arrested for that?
That was like, I don't know, like 2000 and, I don't know. It's been so many years.
Like in the last 4 years, 5 years?
Yeah, 5 years. I don't do that.
Yeah.
Kind of disorderly back there.
Really?
Yeah.
No, she's not. No, she's not, or you would hang out. Alright, so listen, the only thing you're being charged with tonight is the possession charge, okay?
Can I have someone come get my car?
You know what? I will allow that to happen.
Can I call someone?
We'll work on that, okay? Alright, you stay cool and I'll be cool with you, okay? But the things that happen here tonight are unacceptable, okay? On a lot of ends, but that doesn't mean I'm going to be a complete jackwagon to you, okay? All right, so do you have someone local who can come get it? All right, as long as we're not waiting like 4 hours for someone to come pick the car up. You know what I'm saying? All right, so make sure whoever you call has a valid license, okay? All right, just hang out here for a second, okay? What's that?
I would like to make a report. His number is 2.
Huh?
His car number is.
What?
I don't feel safe.
What?
I swear to God.
What's going on here?
The officer, he just literally took his thing. He knocked on the window. He laughing and everything. I don't feel safe. It's license. I looked at his license plate before he left.
Okay, all right, hold on. Just relax.
No, because I don't want you to hurt me.
I'm not gonna hurt you, just relax.
Issue 1. Supervisor Request, Denial Florida Law and CALEA Accreditation Standards require that a detained person's request for a supervisor be honored or formally documented. No exception exists for persons suspected of crimes. The deputy's denial was a direct policy violation. Issue 2. Warrantless Vehicle Search. The search was conducted under the automobile exception established in United States v. Ross 1982, relying on marijuana odor as probable cause per state v. 4. Betz 815 so. However, Florida Amendment 3, effective November 2024, amended Article X, Section 29 of the Florida Constitution to legalize adult possession of up to 3 ounces of cannabis. Florida circuit courts are now split on whether the odor of a legal substance alone can establish probable cause for a warrantless search. The suppression motion here is legally viable. ISSUE 3, Miranda violation under Miranda v. Arizona, 384 U.S. 43 61966. Custodial interrogation requires prior rights advisement. Custody attached at approximately the 1-minute mark when the subject was handcuffed and not free to leave. Miranda rights were not administered until 18 minutes 51 seconds. During that 1 7-minute window, the deputy directly asked, "Did you intend to pay for any of that stuff?" The subject answered in detail and acknowledged knowing her conduct was wrong. Under Missouri v. Seibert 542 U.S. 6002004. These admissions are potentially suppressible. If excluded, the prosecution loses its most direct evidence of criminal intent. Issue 4. Use of force. The physical control applied during arrest falls within soft, empty-hand control on the standard force continuum. Under Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 3861989. Force is evaluated by the objective reasonableness standard, what a reasonable officer would do given the totality of circumstances at that moment. The level applied here was within that standard. Charges. Subject: 1 grand theft, under flaw. Stat: 812 0142. C. 1 property value, 750. 2. $5,000. Third-degree felony. Maximum 5 years and $5,000. Fine. Resisting officer without violence under FLA. Stat. 843.02 first-degree misdemeanor maximum. 1 year and $1,000. Fine. Subject to possession of cannabis under 20 grams FLA. Stat. 893. 136B, maximum 1 year and $1,000. Fine. Lessons learned. Law enforcement first Miranda must be administered before any custodial interrogation, regardless of how cooperative or candid the subject appears. Second, supervisor requests are a procedural right, not a privilege that can be revoked based on conduct. Third, de-escalation in the early phase prevents the resistance charges that ultimately expand criminal exposure. Lessons learned. Citizens. First, invoking rights clearly and calmly is legally protected. Escalating resistance physically adds criminal charges that complicate defense strategy. Second, anything stated while in custody without Miranda may still be used against you if courts find the statement was voluntary, not the product of interrogation. Silence is the only guaranteed protection. Third, the Amendment 3 probable cause question is the strongest available legal argument in this case. An attorney filing a suppression motion under the 4th and 14th Amendments would have credible grounds to challenge both the search and the resulting charge. Early engagement with defense counsel is critical. All defendants are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. Case status remains unknown at time of analysis. Public records requests to the Lee County Clerk of Court's 20th Judicial Circuit are recommended for case outcome verification.